one, RIV. And I kind of use this as a diary journal for myself too, because if I don't do this, there's way too many setups and I forget. So when I'm writing on the watch list, I'm kind of reminding myself what I was looking at. So RIVN again. On the daily, it created a bullish engulfing bar at support. This is one of my go-to strategies. As you can see, I don't have too many um indicators. This is naked trading, right? Naked trading. You just trying to understand and learning how to read the charts the way they are. I'm not even factoring in, RSI or MACD or anything. I'm just trading based on what I see. And what I see is the market went up here, came down on the 4 hour. It created a bullish engulfing, which already popped. So if you look at the 4 hour, this is a bullish engulfing bar. And since it closed, the candle jumped from 1029 to 1050. So if we had traded this, we would have made a little bit of money, but I still expected to get up here to like 13, possibly to 15. So I'm watching this. RIVN, I really like that one.